Hey guys, welcome to another DevKit Weekly, where this week we'll be giving away one OpenRTK330LI Evaluation Kit from ACEINNA for absolutely free. Do you know where you are? No, I don't mean the country, state, city, or street address. I mean, what centimeter of the Earth are you currently on? I bet you don't know, but with the OpenRTK330LI Evaluation Kit, you're able to find out. ACEINNA's OpenRTK330LI Evaluation Kit is high-performance GNSS receiver that integrates 3 redundant 6-axis inertial measurement unit sensors. This combo allows the platform to deliver centimeter-level dead reckoning accuracy for applications that require precision navigation, such as automotive ADAS and autonomous driving, commercial drones, autonomous agricultural vehicles, and so on. This ACEINNA module is the center of the kit, and it houses the ST microelectronics Teseo V GNSS INS chipset with an integrated ARM processor, 100 Hz device with position, velocity, and altitude support. The multi-band, multi-frequency ACEINNA OpenRTK330 module is compatible with GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, BeiDou constellations with real-time kinematic accuracies down to 0.02 meters on the horizontal plane and 0.03 meters on the vertical plane. Other accuracy benchmarks on the platform include horizontal position accuracies of 0.6 meters when using satellite-based augmentation, 0.4 meters with differential GPS compensation, and 0.3 meters in a 10-second GNSS outage. On the vertical axis, you're looking at standard positioning service accuracies of 1.8 meters, while velocity measurements are accurate within 0.01 meters per second horizontally and 0.02 meters per second vertically. Heading accuracy is good within half a degree and altitude within a tenth of one. Also on board are an expressive ESP32 Wi-Fi and Bluetooth module, which provide the wireless complement to this wired Ethernet RJ45 jack, micro USB port, and the CAN UARN SPI interfaces. Of course, there's this SMA interface terminal, and yes, there is a GNSS antenna provided with the kit and a power jack. To program, there is a 20-pin serial wire debug JTAG connector, and even better, it comes with an ST-Link debugger. The LI version of the kit features an industrial-grade module with temperature compensation. But more accurately, the OpenRTK330LI really targets automotive use, thanks to the automotive-grade Teseo V chipset mentioned earlier. If the name didn't already give it away, the platform leverages the OpenRTK software platform, an open source stack that runs on top of standard ARM libraries and either free RTOS or real-time scheduler. To help developers hone in on precision positioning, the embedded software solution provides a GNSS RTK PPP correction engine, which supports corrections from either ACEINNA's Cloud RTK network or an N-trip protocol connection to third-party core services. Additional tools in the stack include open source Fusion code that's preloaded on the device, sensor filtering, and extended Kalman filter algorithms, drivers for customizable SPI, CAN, and UART messaging, as well as predefined baud rate, output data rate, and XYZ axis transformation settings. All of these and other development tools are accessible in OpenRTK extension to VS Code IDE, and a developer website, ACEINNA Navigation Studio, contains additional dev infrastructure like GUI for controlling and managing data logged by the OpenRTK module. In other words, the OpenRTK330LI drastically simplifies the process of discovering where are you. To get started out of the box, ACEINNA has put together one of the most detailed user guides we've seen on DevKit Weekly, accessible at openrtk.readthedocs.io. So whether you're trying to figure out where you're sitting, prevent yourself from making a wrong turn or keep autonomous vehicles from crashing into each other, the OpenRTK330LI is the place to start. If you want an OpenRTK330LI Evaluation Kit for yourself, you can contact ACEINNA to sample and purchase it. Or if you want to save some time and money, you can enter this week's raffle and try to win the kit that we're giving away for free. Just let us know where and who you are, and you might be getting this one in the mail. Thanks for watching this week's Dev Kit Weekly. Good luck in the raffle. See you guys next week.